course, aji ekta dangor din thagishe yadi Dimapur de supermarket especially aji ami khan jani ase that yadi protest jaishe ekta very nice protest ekta jaishe where Ziliang Rong organizations parent bra aina all the apex bodies student hubi women hubi sob aina and of course various other unions aro organizations khan alag communities khan bra bi aina kesutlungle Newmai laga murder 31 years old tai laga murder April 7 de hua laga tai la dead body brutal murder hua laga protest jaishe itya 5.5 months wishe where mohan jani paise that last almost 2 weeks back we prime accused aro alak khan accused khan bi bail paise kuina aji mohan DCP crime ge lok paise idula case upor de kintu aji Ziliang Rong Youth Organization Nagaland la president R John pra memorandum submit kurishe tinta points thaging na ido tinta points to kintu ekta first point to reveal the names of the prime accused idu ekta thagishe duita to submit and reveal the forensic report idu bi ekta thagishe aro third to establish an FSL idu the forensic science laboratory yadi Nagaland to idu memorandum do mohala commissioner of police outla imchin ke submit kure jaise aro takan bahar aishe and media ke khota kura hisab te do very unsatisfied and express resentment and anger inega nishna dikhi paise aro media ke bi khota kurise idu apni khan mohan laga alag report te sawo paribo to hulibi aji mohan media khan Dimapur laga DCP crime ke approach kurise idu case to kinega hoise koina tahan mohan ge press note te bi submit kurise press note hulibi mohan ge bi ekta press conference bi ekta dishe aro yadi key evidence can be collect kurishe koina press note dikhina ase key evidence has been submitted aro many information speculation ne thaga do ita yadi confirm hoise victim do suspected to be murdered at NSCN IM Martyrs Park Pimla near upon idu Martyrs Park of the NSCN IM laga ase koina jani paise idu ajila press note pra aro tai laga body to tade paise 240 feet from Pimla Maikam Road. Idu khan details ati dina ase. Aro victim Ketsunlungle Newmai 31 years wife of Chuba Tumse. Now viewers prime accused to mohan bi jani pai ase and of course the organization tahan ba sob mohan ge inform kurise that the husband is the prime accused. Now revealing the name squad officially yadi likhing na nai that he is the prime accused but this is the press note where they have mentioned that wife of Chuba Tumse. Now Chuba Tumse to prime accused ase icha jani pai ase icha confirm kurishe that he is the main accused in this case husband to aro idu age debi tahan yadi mention kuring na ase that she had gone to the vicinity of NSCN IM Martyrs Park to purchase bananas later in the evening about 7 o'clock her body was found near a river pond and in a very brutally murdered condition. Now idu kan sab yadi details ase age debi apni khan jani pawo with the press conference of the DCP crime Dimapur laga hole bi mohan jani bole mon jado tahan idu tinda demands to kinega kurule ase especially the first two aro yadi bi kuise that the supplementary charge sheet will be submitted before the high court upon receipt of the FSL report. Now as mentioned the Ziliang Rong organization expressed anger tahan bishi gussa de thagise aji after meeting with the commissioner of police after submitting the memorandum hole bi idu to ini after 15 days jani pawo ki exactly what will be the next step of the organizations from parent district and tahan as mentioned tahan do Kohima devi na jawo kuise for any protest they will not sit with anyone any government agency or any government official. I will ajila press conference to mohan DCP crime raki inform kurise mohan ge aro questions la answers to ki dishe idu sailobo
kwan is na the main accused of this case is in judicial custody and as you all know Amikhan itu case register Koreana our commissioner of police had constituted SIT and headed by the DCP to tate the investigating team had submitted an interim charge sheet basing on the chain of events leading to the crime, backed up by reliable and clinching evidences which is strong enough for our investigating agencies to stand the law of trial in the court. The SIT teams has not yet found substantial evidences which would link them to the other accused. However, we are still awaiting in regard to the name of the main accused to be disclosed. It is sub judice. The criminal justice delivery system cannot be derailed disclosing the name of the accused at this juncture where it has the delivery system of justice has not yet completed full circle. On top of that, it will, if at all, as an investigating agencies, and amikhan pra itu manula accused la nam in print media disclose kori dia duishe golo, it amounts to contempt of court also on our part. We will need, it will be amikhan pra itu influencing the court's decision, noile bi amikhan pra prejudicing the trial process. Itu lagate ahi jai. That's the reason why we will not be able to disclose the name of the main accused who is in judicial custody, as well as the SIT has already submitted interim charge sheet against him. What the evidences which we had collected and whatever evidences that can be done within our state facilities and capabilities had been done. However, that one singular forensics examination needed to be sent out of state because our forensic facility, we do not have that specific division, that is the DNA division as well as the expert. That's why we had sent it out of state facility for their examination and experts report. Now, what we need to understand is we all function under our government's rules and regulation. So here in Nagaland, key facilities are say, key capabilities are say, we can push and get the work done. However, in regard to this forensics report, which the organization is demanding that it has to be produced within 15 days, itu lagate tu amikhan to, it is not within our jurisdiction. To no comments. I will not be able to say anything on that. However, my Commissioner of Police, Madam, is in direct contact with the director of that particular laboratory to expedite the matter in view of the demand of the organization for speedy delivery of justice, as well as even my Director General of Police is in touch with the director. That's the most we can do, and that's we are doing it. Not only once, but 2-3 times. Our senior officers have already been reminding the director of that particular laboratory to expedite the examination of the matter as well as forwarding it to us.